Hi everyone from AndroidPIT, my name is Jessica and today I'm not in Berlin but in Paris. Huawei just finished its press conference and beside the P20 Pro we have another new device. It's the Huawei Mate RS Porsche Edition. It's a luxury phone that offers some special features that you should check out. First of all, the Mate RS Porsche design simply looks and feels incredible. As with the P20 Pro, the front and the back are made of glass and a metal frame holds the chassis together. The Mate RS features an Ip67 Protection against dust and water. The OLED display itself is already spectacular with its rounded edges and a resolution of 2880 and 1440 pixels at 6 inches. But Huawei has also integrated a fingerprint sensor into the display, just as we had already seen from Vivo. In addition, there is even a second sensor on the back of the housing, like the one that we already saw in the Mate series. If you have already seen our hands-on video of the Huawei P20 Pro, the camera equipment may seem familiar. The Mate RS uses the same trio of 40 megapixel RGB sensor, a 20 megapixel black and white sensor, and a 8 megapixel telecamera. The camera on the front has a resolution of 24 megapixels. Last but not least, there is a 4000 mAh battery that can be charged wirelessly with up to 10 watts. Powering the device, there is a Kirin 970 with 6 GB of RAM and up to a record-breaking 512 GB of storage capacity. As you can see, the Mate RS Porsche Edition smartphone is really similar to the P20 Pro in terms of specs, but it's also similar to the Mate line in terms of design. It's a luxury phone, so it's really expensive, but of course it's not a phone that is gonna end in the pockets of every single user. Let us know what do you think about this phone and leave us a comment on YouTube and also in our website.